Bro, they like put them up.
This one, backing it up for the 99.
There's a big one in our big like.
Oh yeah, there. It's this one.
Is it? Yes.
Looks like your daddy, Jay.
Jason, get your ass back in there.
I thought you was all short, Daddy. Yeah, there's another one.
Ooh, girl, I'm gonna phase your ass up. Get my clothes out the washing machine. Stop being so. You gonna break their arms, and then how we gonna eat them? Broke arm.
Go from the back.
Okay.
Lala, you good?
Are you ready?
Jay, why is this beef?
Well, if you get your ass, you gotta peel the corn.
Wait, she didn't get my clothes out the washing machine first.
Who said Jada?
Jada.
They don't break their whole skin.
Look.
Yeah, Mom. Oh, there's one coming out.
Oh, it's a few of them coming out. Get back, Sydney. Ha. Ha. Oh shit, they getting faster. Somebody help me. Hey, hey, hey. Ah! What's this? Oh, it's cord.
Ooh, crap. It's hard to do these tongs.
This is some scary shit. Okay, I'm over here on guard. Oh yeah, stop when you kill him.
Oh, this one was ready. Look, Mom.
All right. It's like, what you gonna do, son? What you gonna do, son? Oh, that's fucked up. Where you going? Where you going, Pablo? Pablo, where you going?
Oh, shit, huh?
What?
He turned around real fast.
Keep him in his. Boy, you finna get your ass click, click, clack. These little bastards are fast. Get across the border.
Sit down.
Hey, go rinse the other one. I'm working on the time limit here. I gotta go to work tonight. You know that. Hurry up. Use the soft one. You know, you don't wanna hurt them. We're just gonna give them a hot water bath and get all this dirt off of them. You know, try to help them out. Y'all wanna go in the sauna? Y'all wanna go in the hot tub? I got all the bubbles and stuff for you.
Yeah.
Oh no. See the sauna tub? I got all the bubbles in there for them. They're gonna be all nice and hot and steamy, and I got some champagne for them and stuff.